I don't know if we're ever going to get full reopening because I think she, at this point, almost seems to be having fun with it in some weird way. If we get a semblance of a reopening, has the money already been made this month on that?
No, not at all, Brian. We believe that this incremental opening, that China's not going to pull the proverbial Band-Aid on zero COVID going away. They renamed it dynamic zero COVID. So you're going to see this incremental dialing back. And I think the positive there is that it's going to unleash domestic consumption. That domestic consumption trends have been light due to citizens hoarding cash due to the risk of being quarantined or locked down in their apartments. So I think domestic consumption is going to be a big story for 2023.
Yeah, what do you think the story will be on domestic consumption? I mean, I agree that will be the story, but what kind of, is it going to be a feel-good story, or is it going to be a story of woe and misery, like the last 3 years?
Yeah. I mean, I think again, zero COVID will go away incrementally, and I think some of the measures that Eunice pointed out are really geared to the citizens in China. That I think people have gotten very frustrated with the zero COVID policies. And so seeing it slowly dialed away is going to allow people to get out and about. We actually had a economist from China visit us in New York this week. And it just shows that this opening up is going to happen. It's not going to be, again, a Band-Aid. It's just going to happen incrementally. And we think a lot of the e-commerce companies we hold in K-Web will be end beneficiaries of domestic consumption.
Yeah. Is there any sector you like better in domestic consumption? Travel, food, like what? Airlines?
I mean, I think all of the above. I mean, I think, you can make a great argument for, Trip.com, but e-commerce plays like Alibaba and JD and Vipshop and Pinduoduo. I think also just in general, as this opening up happens, investors have been really underweight to China. And I think removing this potential risk on the economy that they clearly are doing this in order to get the economy going. I think that really behooves a re-rating of Chinese equities.
Yeah. Brendan Ahern of KraneShares. Been a good month. See what happens overseas. Brendan, thank you very much.